Tankless water heaters in the RV industry have become increasingly popular, but with all the options springing up in the market, which one provides the best value? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 4 top-rated tankless RV water heaters and will explain the differences between each model to help you find the best option and get the hot water flowing. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall option is the popular Furrion tankless RV gas water heater. With 60,000 BTUs of heating power and a 2.4 gallon per minute flow rate, the Furrion RV water heater delivers hot water on demand, even when the temperature drops to 32 degrees F. The patented vortex control technology consistently mixes water to your desired temperature, so you never have to worry about hot and cold water fluctuations. The intelligent smart control allows you to set the water to your desired temperature with the sleek wall thermostat. Here you can see the water temperature, time, and pressure level, and it'll even alert you if the water pressure gets too low. For extra safety precautions, the water heater unit includes a pressure relief valve and temperature protection with automatic shutoff. Furrion designed this unit for durability and performance while on the road. The vibration smart engineering and components are created to withstand all the vibrations that you could come across while covering bumpy roads. Best of all, installation is simple because the Furrion comes in 3 different retrofit door sizes, so you can easily upgrade your traditional tank-based water heater to a high-performance tankless model. And to back it all up, the Furrion RV gas water heater is covered by an impressive 2-year warranty. Here are the pros. Huge 60,000 BTU heating power with 2.4 gallons per minute flow rate. Multiple door size options for seamless retrofit replacement. Intelligent control thermostat is included, and this unit comes with a 2-year warranty. There's only one con: professional installation might be required. At number 2 is our runner-up, the Girard 2GWHAM tankless water heater. Install a Girard tankless water heater with the peace of mind knowing that years of research and experience support every model. With Girard, an internal microprocessor monitors the flow rate and outgoing hot water temperature to maintain consistent hot water flow. The 42,000 BTU heating power is no more running out of hot water in the middle of a shower or waiting several minutes for your water to heat up. The digital controller allows you to set the temperature from 95 to 124 degrees F with the ability to preset the hot water temperature at lower levels so that you don't have to worry about accidental burns. With the unit control panel, you also get visual diagnostics to see the flame output and the water temperature in real time for easy troubleshooting. And every Girard tankless water heater is weatherized to protect the unit from freezing temperatures. Installation is easy since no extra gas lines or plumbing modifications are required to get hot water on demand. It can fit in tight spaces since it weighs only 21 pounds and measures 14.6 by 17.8 by 14.6. For added security, Girard offers a comprehensive 2-year warranty. Here are the pros: 42,000 BTU heating power, freeze protection for winter use, a digital controller with preset temperature capability. And the cons: a door is not included and must be ordered separately. At number 3 is our choice for best value, the Fogatti RV tankless water heater. Enjoy constant hot water with a higher heating capacity of 55,000 BTUs and a max flow rate of 2.9 gallons per minute. The built-in regulating burner is used to provide consistent water temperature with a range of 95 to 123 degrees F, so you don't have to worry about uneven temperatures or ever running out of hot water again. Easily set the water to your desired temperature with the remote control thermostat and quickly turn the unit off and on. With the Fogatti, you get multiple safety functions, including a flame-out, antifreeze, overheat, and overvoltage protection. Designed for the road, the Fogatti is engineered to withstand the bumps that you encounter on your adventures. And with the ultra-silent smoke exhaust fan, there's hardly any operating noise. The Fogatti Tankless Water Heater has broad retrofit compatibility with a cutout size of 13 by 13, and the included door size is 15 by 15 for seamless replacement. Because it's far more efficient with propane usage and you don't need to replace magnesium rods every few months, the savings can add up quickly. Additionally, you can count on this unit lasting 3 times longer than a traditional water heater system. Best of all, Fogatti provides free replacement within 60 days and service repairs for up to 5 years. Here are the pros: 55,000 BTU and max flow rate up to 2.9 gallons per minute. Multiple safety measures like pressure release and overheat protection. Includes the door for seamless retrofit. Freeze protection is included for winter use. And the cons: it may require professional installation. At number 4 is the best portable option, the Camplux Tankless Propane Water Heater. It's pretty impressive, but not surprising, that the portable 19-pound, 13 by 6 by 22-inch Camplux is the best portable water heater for RVs. With a maximum power output of 68,000 BTUs per hour, you'll get endless hot water no matter where your travels take you. Setup takes only a few minutes, then you're up and running to enjoy 2.6 gallons per minute of hot water on demand. Even when camping with low pressure, the Camplux is the perfect choice for tankless water heating because it's designed to operate at all water pressures from 3 to 110 psi. Camplux runs vigorous safety tests on all of its products. This portable water heater includes a built-in safety flame failure device, an auto shutoff at 167 degrees F, and anti-freezing functionality to provide peace of mind and guaranteed long-term use in even the toughest environments. Advanced combustion technology takes the guesswork out of turning knobs and lighting pilot lights and focuses on getting the hot water fast and keeping it hot consistently. With the easy-to-read LED temperature gauge and heating control system, you can adjust your temperatures plus or minus 1 degree to your desired temp. Best of all, Camplux is known for its considerate customer support, which is available 24/7 through live chat or phone. And they even offer a 1-year warranty. Here are the pros: maximum power output of 68,000 BTUs per hour. Includes a shower head. It's perfect for access to hot water in remote environments. Easy to read LED control panel. Multiple safety features like auto shutoff and flame failure device. There's only one con: the flow rate is not quite as high as some of the other tankless models. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.